Okay guys, welcome to this channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe. And thank you. So today we're going to be talking about this is like an introduction to Linux, right? In our previous video we did the home setup, the home lab setup. So in this video we're gonna just like continue from there. So basically I want to talk about CTF today. Now, CTF, what is CTF or what are CTFs? CTFs capture the flag, right? Capture the flags are, should I say, capture the flags are a fun field way of, practicing hacking. You know, it gives you that feel of, you trying to hack a box, you trying to root a box, you're trying to, um, you're trying to, capture the flag. It's in the name, capture the flag. So what this is that you get to practice what you've learned. And guys, um if you don't know your basic commands on Linux, you're not supposed to be here, right? You should go back to the previous video, my previous video, and learn some things. I give you guys websites there where you could learn all of your fundamentals, and we're working our way up. So right here we're going to be practicing CTF. We know nothing about Linux, so this website I'm about to show you guys helps you practice Linux, hands-on practice, if I should put it that way. So we're technically going to be hacking, but in a legal way. Okay, so the website is called OverTheWire. OverTheWire, right? So you go to your Google, you search for OverTheWire, and then it brings you here to this page, overthewire.org. So war games, it says the war games offered by the OverTheWire community can help you to learn and practice security concepts in the form of fun-filled games, right? To find out more about a certain war game, just visit the link in the menu on the left. So it says suggested order to play the games are, you start with bandits, you work your way down, and then it says here each shell game has its own SSH ports. And if you do not know what SSH is, you're not supposed to be here, guys. If you do not know what SSH is, you are not supposed to be here. So please go back to, I'm going to put video somewhere around here. So you watch it, and you know where to start. So SSH, secure shell, right? So it says each shell game has its own secure shell port. Information about how to connect to each game using SSH is provided in the top left corner of the page. Keep in mind that every game uses a different SSH port. All right, so now it says here that we're to begin with Bandit. So you click on Bandit, and if I could get the page, thank you network. So Bandit, right? It says the Bandit war game is aimed at absolute beginners, guys. This is what we've been looking for, and this is what we've been waiting for. Absolute beginners. We don't know anything about hacking. We do not know anything about our Linux, right? Obviously, you're supposed to know basic things about your Linux. You're supposed to know how to list files in a folder, how to list files in your home directory. You're supposed to know how to change directory, all of those, your ls, your cd, your mv, your basic commands, right? So if you do not know that, please, you're not supposed to be here. Go back for your own good. Oh. Anyways, go back. So Bandit, if you're aimed at absolute beginners, it will teach you the basics needed to be able to play other war games. If you notice something essential is missing or have ideas for a new level, please let us know. Okay, so notes for beginners, this game, like most other games, is organized in levels. You start at level 0 and beats and try beating it upwards. Okay, so level 0 is right here. Come on, network, come on, please. Okay, it says bandit level 0. Bandit level 0, guys. The goal of this level is for you always read this, always read this, guys, always read this, guys. So it says the goal of this level is for you to log into the game using SSH. The host to which you need to connect to is bandit.labs, the OverTheWire.org on ports 2220. The username is bandit0 and the password is bandit0. So once logged in, go to level 1 page, right? Go to level 1 page to find out how to be level 1. So this is level 0, right? It says we need to log into the game using SSH. Now it gives you hints, commands you may need to solve this level is SSH. If you do not know what SSH is, again, go back to the previous video, guys. So helpful reading materials, secure shell, SSH, how to use SSH on Wikipedia, right? So go back to our terminal, and how we're going to do this first step is we're going to SSH to bandit0 at the host, which is bandits.labs.overthewire.org, right? Then to specify the ports, we need to give it this syntax of -p, right? -p on 2220, right? You hit enter, and if your internet connection is not as shitty as mine, it's supposed to load up immediately, but it took a little time. Anyways, it gives you a banner here, bandit. It says this is an over-the-wire game server. So bandit0 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org. So password, it says here that the password is bandit0. So we have to give it a password of bandit0, hit enter, and we are logged in. So now the aim of this level was to teach you how to use SSH, right? Now you know that by using SSH the right way, you're supposed to have a username in front, and then at the host name, and then -p and the ports to connect to an SSH server. So you have that, you put your password in, and then you're logged in. So we're logged in here, and we have to let's list our files if my network would respond. Jeez. So it says readme. We have a file called readme, so we're gonna cut that out. Readme, and you're gonna hit enter, and it says congratulations on your first step into the bandit game. So basically you've rooted this box, right? So it says that, and it says the password you're looking for is this, guys. This is the password you're looking for. So you use this password to log into the next level. So we found the password for the next level. You come the next level, and the next level says the password for the next level is stored in a file called readme. We just found that, and then use it to log into the SSH server on Bandit 1, right? Whenever you find a password for a level, use SSH on port 2220 to log into that level and continue the game. So we found the password for level 1, we come to level 1, going to level 2, right? It says the password for this for the next level is stored in a file called dash located in the home directory. So it also gives you hints, commands you may need to solve this ls cd cat file du and find. So helpful reading materials, Google for dash file name, and it gives you another one, basic bash scripting guide. Read, guys. The best part, or should I say, one of um the skills you learn as a cybersecurity student is that you are going to research a lot. You're going to be researching a lot of things, guys. So you're going to be reading a lot. Just place your mind that you're going to be reading a lot. So you read a lot. I'm not saying it's always going to be reading, but there's always going to be research. You have to research. Anyways, so let's log into level 1. You exit from here, right? You SSH again to Bandits 1 this time around, and then at the host name which they gave it to you, they said it's bandit.labs.overthewire.org. Add the specified port number with the syntax of -p, and you hit enter, and then it locks you in. And then when it logs you in, you grab your password. And you paste that in here. That's the password for the next level. You get logged in, okay, you ls, and you have the file which is named it says the password for the next level is stored in a file called dash, and it tells you to read Google search for dashed file names. So obviously you could go to your Google. If I could type, go to Google and you search for dashed file name, right? Dash file name. So you have all of this, you have all of this, you have all of this, you have a lot of resources out here to read from. It's not it's not bad to cheat, right? A lot of people have done this, and you have a lot of YouTube videos out there. You have a lot of resources out there to learn from. Obviously, you are a beginner, you are new, you need all these resources to learn. So you go to Google, guys, or you ask ChatGPT, and when you research about it, you come back, because you have cat. If you say you want to cat dash, it doesn't work, because Linux is not going to understand that you just want to cat dash. What is dash, right? You have to like specify. All right, guys, you have to specify. Okay, my network at it again. My network is just messing up again and again and again. I do not know what to do right now. Okay, guys, so that is it. I wanted to do the next level, but my network isn't too friendly right now. So you just have to learn, you just have to read about things, right? You get the password for the next level, and the fun part of this is that you're actually hacking, right? You're practicing how to hack, guys, practicing how to go around your terminal. This is absolutely for beginners, right? We're going up gradually. So this is absolutely for beginners, and then all you have to do is just lock in, guys. Just lock in and keep practicing, guys, and then you eventually be like one of those top guys, top G's, right? So till we see again, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Yes.